Hi, and welcome to another new video. And today we are going to be talking about something that's going to be super special. For example, the thing that we're going to talk about is that we all know that we can upload video on YouTube and we can easily make some money out of it. Though money is not our concern, but let's assume that it's also a part that we all know because YouTube has a thing called YPP, that is YouTube Partner Program. So what happens is that on that, we upload a video, and whenever we upload a video, YouTube gives ad before, after, or mid-roll ads onto that video. And what happens is very simple. We get a bit amount or a percentage from that, the ad spent that by the company or the owner who has been placing ad, and YouTube uses its own algorithm and places the ad very geniusly in a very in a perfect manner, we can say. So that what happens is very simple. We can see ads on different videos that we all see, but what if we think that we can get ads? For that we need to apply for YouTube partnership program, but there are some terms and conditions that are available. And what are those? The first thing is we should have near about 1000 subscribers, and the second thing is we should have 4000 hours of watch time, and that is quite huge for some people. What if you get the opportunity where you can easily be able to monetize your own channel? Yes, you can easily monetize your channel. How? By placing some good opportunities. Like what? Like you can sell something on that platform or onto your channel. Now, by that you can easily do. Now, today I am going to show you one of them that you can easily use, and you can easily make a good revenue income, or you can make a good financial stream. It can be your own financial stream, and you can easily monetize the thing that you love. But the only condition that I'm going to tell you is to remember that you should start your YouTube journey, or whatever the thing that you're doing, you should love that thing. That should be the first and the primal thing that should be always be there for you. Now the thing that I'm going to show you is, today, we are going to be talking about a platform which is known as ClickBank. And ClickBank is an affiliate site. That is, what is an affiliate site? So, an affiliate site is a site or affiliate marketing. The thing that we are going to do is known as affiliate marketing. What it is, for example, if you genuinely love a product, if you understand that this product has the capacity to be at the level that you want to produce something like that, or it's better, or in an export level it is, then you want to promote it to other person. For example, let's assume that you love Nike shoes. So what is happening is that whenever you have a, let's assume you have a soccer or football YouTube channel, what is happening is that you can have traffic of YouTube people who are interested in football. So they can be an aspiring footballer. They want to be like Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi. So what's happening is that they find shoes that are of limited edition of Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo. So what you can do is very simple. You can take that shoe from that website and you can show to that people that, see, I have this shoe. If you want to buy, you can buy it from Nike because Nike is selling it. What's happening is very simple. You are giving them the right choice. You are directing them, you are guiding them for their best. They want to buy that shoe, and you are helping them to go through that process easily. Now, you are doing the same in affiliate marketing, but what's happening, you're not taking money from the consumer who is buying. Rather than that, you are actually getting money from Nike, because you are helping Nike to sell that shoe, and you are getting a some amount of good amount of commissions. Isn't that simple? Yes, it's kind of simple. So, for example, today I am going to help you up in finding what's the best thing that you can do so that you can monetize your channel from the first day itself. Now we are going to go on to ClickBank and we are going to see something really, really exciting. Let's go. So here we are in ClickBank. So it's a leading affiliate marketplace. So we can get the best of the best, and it's a global retailer. That is, this company has been for quite a good amount of years now. For example, if we go see, we can see it's been founded in 1998. So it's been there about for 23 years, and that's a good amount of time. So whenever we go on to ClickBank and we click, we can see so many things and we need to sign up. Don't worry, I have already signed up with my own account and I am going to show you how you can choose product. Now, see, whenever we see ClickBank, we can see ClickBank is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. So you can even sell or you can promote other people's products. Now, you can also shop, you can also learn about how to make money online with courses in performance marketing. And you can do all that. So it's empowering all the entrepreneurs over 200 countries and with over $4.2 billion paid on 20 years for over 20 years. Yes, actually. So we can become an affiliate for ClickBank and we can easily do it. So we have to go and we have to sign in. So whenever we sign in, we are gonna come into this marketplace. What's going to be happening, I am taking a demo account for you so that you can easily understand. So we can see so many categories up here. Now let's assume that we are going to go on to a special segment. What can be a segment that we want to choose? Let's assume that we want to go into the self-help niche, or we can go into this arts and entertainment as seen on TV, betting system, business, investing, computer, cooking, food. Let's go on to the cooking and food and wine. Let's try it out how things are gonna get. Okay, so we can see keto resources for fat burning kitchen 101 anti-aging foods and all that from truth about labs, etc. And we can see keto breads and keto dessert. So it's a top converting. Now we are gonna choose the product. How? Let me tell you this bonus secret. This is very simple. So you need to go on to sort results by rank. It is there. Go up here, click on the at the last we have gravity. So what happens is that it's the best because you get the best idea of the whole overall, the all the offers that you can see, all the products that you can see. So we are gonna process the best of the best so that we can deliver it to people and we can have a good analytical report which is kept to ClickBank itself, but we can get some form of idea that which are the best ones that are being sold and that are quick selling and the things that are getting into market and that are into, you can say, that are really hot right now in market. We can see on cooking, food and wine, keto resources is really good and the average conversion is 23.12 cents, $23.12. So we can go to the affiliate page also. So I am going to go on to that affiliate page and I am going to tell you something. What are the stats all about? See, the first one is it's in English. The second one is it's one-time billing. That is, you are gonna get a one-time billing. Not only that, you can have a recurring also in that. So for that, see, it's a recurring billing option is also there. That is, they are gonna upsell it. Think also because there is a sign. So there is, it's a shippable media. That is, it's not a digital product. It will be shipped to the person that is gonna buy it, the person who is gonna buy it. So not only that, it is gonna give you a pitch plus, that is that they are gonna upsell it and you also gonna see that function available. See, all the affiliate tools and URLs are available, and here you can see the vendor spotlight, and not just that, a mobile hop link targeted URL supported, because all of them doesn't have that. For example, on this keto bread and keto dessert, see, there will be no recurring. There is upsell, one time billing, and it's a shippable thing, but there is no upsell. For example, onto this you can easily see there is one time billing, upsell is there and recurring is there, but vendor spotlight and all that is not there. So we are here into this affiliate page, and let's go and let's see. See, this is the thing for affiliates. You're affiliate marketer and fitness entrepreneurs. You can become a keto resource affiliate marketing and all that. Please generate your hop link. So we can generate our hop link easily. So what is the hop link? Hop link is the link in which your URL, your code is being embedded with the link. And what happens whenever someone buys and a cookie is being attached, and it's really different from each to each company and different for each individuals also. So what's happening is very simple. On this hop link, whenever person buys, not today, but if for 15 days, for 30 days, and so on and so forth, what is happening is very simple. You can have cookie attached to it. So whenever they think they're gonna buy it, so they are really gonna get the product, and you're gonna get the commission that you have marketed to. Now that you're given lead off. Now, for example, let's go on to the actual page. Now, whenever we go onto the keto resource, we can easily go on to this keto resource and we can easily see that what's the thing about all. Okay, so here it is, 28dayketo.com. Now there is, see, it's hop equal to 0, that is there is no hop link up here. So whenever we are going to open it up, its conversion ratio is, I think, pretty good. And not just that, we are going to get something really interesting up here. So keeping things authentic and keeping things trustful, I want to show you the best of all so that you get the best of all. So the average conversion is really less. It's $23.12. So it's kind of good, and the gravity scores is 103. That means it's a good selling product. Now we are here. Keto resource. What's the difference between success and failure on the keto diet? Two women, each 41-year-old, tried the, and all it's written. The second woman. So what made the difference? Here is all the thing. We have made that plan. So here is 28-day meal plan. So with our help, you'll be unstoppable. So the whole website is really crisp. That is, it's being made really good. So it's a really good website, and you people can buy from it. It looks trustful. That's the thing. And the person that is gonna sell should be giving good amount of things, because the best thing you can do is to buy the product yourself first, test it out, and see that how's the product, how is the packaging and all that, because it's a shippable thing, right? So see how's the quality, how's the information. You can also do that so that you deliver the best. And I would say it would be the best thing. For example, I myself do affiliate marketing for what? For example, I am giving you the vidIQ. That's one of the best that you can get. And I myself, whenever trust the association or the company, so I am going to promote it. So said that's how, and it's best whenever you are getting paid for it, right? So that's the best thing that you can do. So here is all that thing. Claim your 2 fast action gifts and take the challenge. So do you have what it takes to complete the 28th day? So it's making it about $37. So whenever you buy from them, here is an you can say claim your 2 fast action bonus gift. That is, timer is being given so that it becomes a scarce, and it's really good, a good value proposition. Now, do you have what it takes to you're gonna buy all of that if you purchase, and you're gonna have to pay $37. And how much we're gonna make? We're gonna make $23. So it's kind of good, and there is upsell and recurring revenue and all that. So what's happening is very simple. So whenever we take the challenge, we have to give our email ID, and we are gonna go on to that segment. So that's pretty good. That's pretty nice if we talk about in that, in a general sense. But if we want to choose other things, we can also do that. There are other options available. For example, German, English, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese. Right. So that's how you can easily monetize your channel without the YouTube Partner Program before it has started. Now, this is another stream of income, you can say, you can take. And whenever you love something, you should always monetize it. because that's how you can easily grow and you can fulfill and fuel your passion. Because what's happening, money is something like it is a fuel for the car or the passion. Let's assume that your passion is a car and you need fuel to go from point A to B, right? So what is the thing that's going to be helping you? It's all these revenue streams or income streams that is going to help you. So whenever you start to monetize your channel from the first day, what is happening is very simple. You are getting ahead and you don't have to wait for YouTube partner program, because the revenue that they give is quite well, but you can make twice or thrice the amount of money in a really good consistent way if you try all these opportunities or all these avenues. And the best thing, you know what, you don't put money, you don't leave any money on the table before you come out. So guys, that was all for today. See you again on another video. I hope that you have all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you again on another day. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.